see what you mean since we finally starting to click. You say this is the ulna, right?
Ulna, radius.
Okay. So which one?
Radius?
Right, radius.
Ulna.
So this is the radius then.
No,
No, this is the ulna.
Ulna. And it depends, which I use depends on what I want to do.
Okay.
So if I'm here, we're both have kind of split the center.
Right.
And I want to close him. I'm going to keep the radius stationary and I'm going to rotate the ulna. See, he just crossed his center.
Right.
But I'm still here on the center.
Right.
I closed his door
Okay.
without using muscle.
Right.
This takes rotator cuff. This just takes me twisting my own arm. I'm very strong inside myself. I'm very weak outside of myself. If he doesn't want me to move his arm, I can't like that. But if I rotate my arm, oh, now he's pushing out. And if he did that and I rotated, yes, that's what would happen is if he started to push out, I'd just go, fine, we'll go around it. But on average strength, if I just rotate, I get in. So in this case, it's ulna under radius. But if I were on this side, the radius over ulna. See how that pushes his arm that way? So I get the center. If I rotated the ulna under the radius on this side, nothing would happen. But if I do it this way, he's moving. He's here, he's there. If I did the same thing, he's here, he's still there. If I go the opposite, he's there. He's here, he's there. Okay? So in this case, because I'm having you cross arm, when I feel the push, I'm going to rotate the ulna under the radius. I'm going to void the space. If I don't void the space, he's coming to me. And I'm not saying you wouldn't necessarily do that. Wing Chun is very dirty boxing. I might do that thinking about this. But I want you to really get the feel of he's pushing and being able to clear the space. To clear the space, I have to not be there. If we're centered up and he pushes, I have to vacate the space. So I have to move my foot. Right? And I don't want to let him stay centered. So I don't want to do this because he's just going to close in and trap me or hit. So I'm going to do that because that guides him off just a little bit. It's a deflection. It's the bow of the icebreaker going through the ice. Which way does the ice go? It goes away from the bow. It goes away from the bow. He pushes in, that's the ice. I get the ice to go away from the bow. I clear the space. I clear the space. As I get used to that, maybe I clear the space, but I don't move my leg for a reason. He presses in. I would say that'd probably be pretty effective in most cases. Okay?